Welcome to this video on forensic toxicology. Forensic toxicology is the study of toxic substances in the body and their effects. It is of key importance in road accidents, poisoning, and sexual violence investigations. Forensic chemistry focuses on identifying unknown, non-biological materials, including drugs, at crime scenes. Forensic toxicology applies toxicology to aid medical and legal investigations involving death, poisoning, and drug use. Forensic chemistry identifies chemical substances submitted for analysis. Forensic toxicology identifies chemicals in biological fluids or breath. Forensic chemistry encompasses forensic toxicology. Forensic toxicologists isolate and identify substances in the body, such as alcohol or drugs, that may have contributed to a crime. Toxicology has several types, including analytical, clinical, and forensic toxicology. Divisions of forensic toxicology include analytical toxicology and drug testing. The main subdisciplines are postmortem toxicology, human performance toxicology, and forensic drug testing. Thank you for watching this video on forensic toxicology.